Hi there. Today we're going to talk about some accessories that you might need for your violin or your viola. And in this case, we all know we have our instrument, we have our bow, but there are some important things that you need to be successful as a string player. On the violin and viola, the first thing I recommend for everyone is a shoulder rest. And a shoulder rest come in lots of different forms, but the ones that I recommend most are the hard, rigid type that fit on the instrument rather than some of the softer, more padded or pillow type shoulder rests. I just don't think they give the same amount of support. So this is called an Everest, like Mount Everest shoulder rest. It is an inexpensive shoulder rest between $14 to $18 depending on which model you get. I like it because it is rigid, but it also has a nice thick foam layer. What the shoulder rest does, the whole point of the shoulder rest is to fill the gap between the instrument's thickness and the height of your neck from your shoulder or the top of your shoulder here and to your jaw. And so that helps fill up that gap, as you can see. Without the shoulder rest on, there's a large gap, and then the instrument starts to hang down, etc. So we really want to have that shoulder rest for our instrument. It helps so much in giving us the best posture and the best playing position that we can come up with. Second, this usually comes with most instruments, but making sure that you have some good rosin to use. Rosin will keep the bow hair a little bit sticky and make it grip on the strings a lot better to give you a really nice sound. And third, and something that a lot of people forget, is just a simple cloth. This is just a very inexpensive microfiber cloth, and when I'm done at the end of the day, I take it across my strings to make sure I get all the rosin off and anything that's up where my fingers have been on the neck of the instrument, and then, very important, underneath the strings next to the bridge on both sides will help keep it from getting rosin buildup, which can get pretty ugly and nasty and sticky if you leave it on there too long, and it can actually damage the varnish of your instrument. So those are a few accessories, very important for the violin. Highly recommend having that shoulder rest, the rosin, and also your soft cloth to wipe it down. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you soon.